currently Saturday. I forgot what day it was. It is 6:40 a.m. I'm about to do a leg workout I just found on Instagram. I'm wearing my usual leggings. This was like Adidas and Vans. So yeah, I'm honestly very sore, but we're just gonna do this and then it will be walk time. I have zero plans for the day, nothing. So we'll see what happens, where the day takes us, but for right now, let's work out. You guys can totally feel the lack of energy from me right now. Hello guys, I wish I could just set you up and you would stay here. Maybe I can stay. Anyways, whatever. I am currently applying for jobs because I need a new one. And yeah, it's a little bit stressful, but that's okay. So yeah, with, you know, COVID and everything, it's a little bit hard to find jobs, and even like I work in the food industry, so obviously that's not really going great, so I'm just applying to whatever I can. And yeah, that's what's up. It's 8:43. My smoothie bowl / smoothie with granola bueno. Yeah, I'm just chilling. So okay, it is 10:56 a.m. I am editing my Vlogmas going up today. Since I uploaded a main channel, I only have a main channel, but like, I think since I'm so used to hearing Alicia and Remy be like, my vlog channel, my main channel, but I'm trying to say, like, I uploaded a non-vlog, so it made me a day off of Vlogmas, and I'm just combining these 2 days into one. That way it's back to like right on upload, because I like when you see the day before, not 2 days before, even though that's really not that big of a difference. That's just how I feel. But guys, I am struggling because I'm trying to not do anything with my hair, but like, look, why did these pieces do this? It's so hard not to style your hair when you're in the process of growing your hair back, because this is like, what is this? Anyways, that's irrelevant, but all morning I literally was just, or not all morning, for like a little bit over an hour, I was just looking and applying to jobs, and now I am editing, and I'm gonna finish this and probably upload it, and I think I might make a blog post. I don't really know. I want to read. I kind of want to bake. I just have the whole day and no plans and nowhere to go. So, yeah. But I'm going to keep editing and just try to update you guys. Keep you in the loop. Yeah. I'll try to think of something that can add to this vlog, but honestly it's pretty hard when I have no school, nothing's open, and I don't have a lot of friends. So, and not that even if I did I could see them, but yeah, I'm trying. Hopefully you guys still like these even though I'm just sitting at home. Okay, bye. Alrighty guys, it's now 12:54. I've just been chilling and I want to bake, so I'm gonna try making Jazz Tyler's peppermint like mocha brownie kind of thing, but it's made from black beans and I've never made anything with black beans, so I'm very intrigued. But I'm just grabbing a can of beans and let's try it. I realize my Vlogmas is probably just exposing the amount of time I have on my hands. I bake so much. I also always forget to preheat my oven, and I'm not gonna do that this time. 350. So So it says 1 cup of black beans. I just had a cup and then a can. Put that all in this little blender cup. 1/4 cup of almond butter. 1/4 cup coconut oil. You guys watch my vlogs, you know I don't measure anything. Next, maple and cacao powder. There we go. 1/4 cup rolled oats. A bit of peppermint. And we blend. So not all of the black beans exactly blended through, but we're just gonna ignore that. Yeah. Hopefully, like, people will still eat them. I will. But let me tell you, the batter tastes amazing. So I'm just gonna lay down some parchment paper and plop this on. So it's not gonna look organized, but I just went through everything and threw out what we didn't use and just reorganized it. Then I meal prepped a huge batch of quinoa just to make you meals easier. Then this is how the brownie turned out. Let me tell you, the batter was so amazing, so I think this is gonna be really good. I topped it with chocolate chips and walnuts, and then I'm also making a batch of crispy chickpeas. I'm gonna try to recreate the dinner I had last night. So yeah, I've just been organizing. It's 2 p.m. So I'm gonna put the chickpeas in for a little longer. And for now, I'm just gonna put on some Pretty Little Liars and then I'll make some lunch. But yeah, productive day. Okay, so I figured I would walk you step by step through my chickpea pasta because I have it like all the time. But I always pour the amount of pasta I want in a bowl to measure how much to make. Obviously, if you're doing double serving, do that twice. But I usually just grab whatever veggies I have. So right now I really love broccoli. So I'm gonna do some broccoli, zucchini, onion, cherry tomatoes, and I think, oh, and spinach. So let's just cut her up.
It was the night before Christmas.
If you guys have garlic, definitely add that. I just unfortunately don't, but my favorite part of this is I used to have Toroni peppers, but I'm out. So if you have those, add those too. But sun-dried tomatoes are like a must for me. I love sun-dried tomatoes. And I literally just grab scissors and chop them up.
Closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
And that's how I do my chickpea pasta.